So it's day 3 today, and I'm planning to take the 10-minute video right now, and I'm doing my morning walk today. It's a part of the 75-day heart challenge where you go for a workout in the morning and a workout in the evening or any time, but not consecutive. So it's been around 50 minutes that I've been walking right now. Random lanes, random places, and if you can see, there are people behind me, and this place is absolutely beautiful. I'm in love with this place and I love walking now. Although it's my first day on the streets. I was walking around a park, but right now I'm walking on the streets, so this is something different. But then, okay, you can look, I've got my mask on, so be safe. There's that. And also, I want to, in this video tell you about 3 people who have personally, helped me a lot. By personally, I mean their content online. Just by going through their content, it has helped me a lot. The reason I'm stressing on a lot is because I'm not fucking around when I say that they literally, changed my entire perspective on life, attitude towards life, and approach. More importantly, approach. That was something I was lacking personally. So I had to implement certain steps and procedures to overcome certain habits, which was tough initially, but later on, I had managed to do that. And yeah, Ramya, thanks to you. I'm holding my screen horizontally. So yeah, I hope the video comes out good. And also thanks to Kaushik. He told me how to shoot a video. So yeah, people have been helping me a lot, and it's really great. Okay, coming back to the topic. Number 1 person who has really, pushed me to another level was in 9th grade when I had my own shit going on. I'm not gonna say I went through a lot, but whatever it was, yeah, it was there. Dealt with it, good for me, because it had helped me grow. But the one person who made me believe in myself was Arnold Schwarzenegger. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but let that be there. So that guy, during that time, this was in 2015 or 14, where I was in 9th grade and 10th grade, where I was very skinny and I had a lot of insecurities and I wanted to battle them. And I came across him, where actually him and Athlean-X, these 2 people, him and Athlean-X gave me a lot of information and showed me what exactly to do to, change myself and my body. It took me 4 years, but 4 years down the lane, my entire body has changed, my entire attitude has changed, my entire confidence level from here, it has gone all the way here. Now we're aiming for somewhere there. I tried to jump there, hope you saw that. Okay, now there is that. So basically the message they conveyed was, it's all in the beliefs. The way you can, change your body or transform yourself, it starts with a belief. If you cannot believe that you can change, shit is not going to happen. If you approach something saying that won't happen, it won't happen. The approach has to be different. Nobody told me that, because from what I saw, I was told eating non-veg, eating a lot of other shit, and yeah, bodybuilding has to be involved with steroids. Myth. Well, they're going to help you, but they're not, the important or most necessary things you need to grow and develop. So yeah, the first 2 people would be Athlean-X and Arnold Schwarzenegger, because they have really pushed me to an extent where they, again, coming back to the same point, I'm just bragging about it again and again, which is beliefs. There's that. And yeah, while working out, it has definitely showed me a lot of things, and working out itself showed me a different perspective of life. And then the next person, who made a major impact on me was this person made an impact which, kind of, I guess this is the sunlight area or whatever you call this, whatever. So yeah, this person is Sadhguru. This dude, completely changed my life. I'm really thankful to him because he's done a great fucking job giving out his message to the youth, not to the old people out there, but to the youth, because he understands if the future has to change, it has to be with the younger generations and not the older ones. And that's the perfect way to go if you ask me. So what this man, did was again challenging my beliefs. So he gave me an approach, or he did not give me an approach. He just told me, hey, the way you're looking at life is not the only fucking way. There can be 100 different ways. Initially, I didn't understand this. But then later on, listening to his, YouTube videos, podcasts, and a lot of other stuff, it really helped me. I understood about my emotions, feeling, most importantly, awareness. I'm not going to elaborate much further on this because I may not give you the right meaning, or even if I did, you will not understand it. I want you to get it from him itself because he's going to give you the best shit out there. So yeah, one day I was in a heated argument, and during this argument, there was a certain awareness that Suraj, you are angry. Good, I'm aware I'm angry. Good for me, good for you, or good for anyone. Then later on, the next thought I got was, okay, Sadhguru said the reality is not what you think it is. It can be different. So that's what I did. I asked myself, why am I angry? I got a reason for it. Then I went and I spoke with the person whom I was angry on. I wanted to kill him right there and then, but then I pulled down my anger. Just asked him, hey, why did you do this? That made me angry. Then he gave me his own perspective, which was completely different. Hi. Random person saying hi. That's awesome. So there's that. Okay. So I asked the other person, why did he do that thing which made me angry? And then he gave me his reason. And then it all fucking made sense. According to him, he did exactly what he understood. And according to me, I did exactly what I understood. So that kind of, fucked with my mind a lot. Saying, holy fuck, all this while I've been doing something, assuming shit in my head. Not knowing this is the, entire fact of life or whatever. It's a deep topic. I'm going to cover that sometime soon. The next person is Uncle G, Grant Cardone. This man, he literally gave me so much knowledge about money, real estate, fucking marketing. Dude, this guy is like a package out there giving content and information for free. I literally sat down and watched probably 100 hours of his fucking videos. But that shit works. Whatever he told gets embedded in your head. It's like the way I use my money or the way I treat my money is way different than what I used to do before. Okay, I'm just gonna take a quick sip. This is my water bottle. I carry this everywhere. 2.6 liters. Yeah. Okay, so that guy, he gave me crazy information, crazy knowledge, crazy dude. He's a whole deal. He introduced me to something called 10x, which is, putting 10 times the effort of what you think is the best. Let's just say my best is 10. I'm going to multiply that by 10 times. So if you still don't understand what that means, let's just say I'm calling 10 people. I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to call 100 people and stop there. If you get it, you get it, okay? That's how simple it is. Whatever you're doing, into 10. Multiply that by 10. That, increases your productivity, increases your actions. Actions is everything. See, knowledge is good and great. But without action, your entire knowledge is useless piece of shit. It's hard, but that's the reality. So yeah, I've been following these 3 people or 4 people. Actually, a lot more than these people. But these 4 or 5 people are the main people who I follow every single day. I watch their videos. I follow their blogs, I read their articles. As a matter of fact, I have taken up courses of a couple of people, and one of the courses which has helped me a lot is Inner Engineering by Sadhguru, because that again completely changed my life. Just doing the practice what he has taught. I don't know how it works, but it definitely works. If you observe this, yeah, get that right. This is a ring from Isha. There's a certain reason behind it. But yeah, that entire course was amazing. It taught me a lot of valuable shit. I should not be saying shit, but that's how I speak, so fuck it. There's that. Let me see. What else can I speak about? Podcasts. Get those podcasts in, dude. Whatever podcast you're watching, just keep watching it, because those have something out there which is going to benefit you. Not kidding, podcast will change your life. Listen to one podcast for 30 days straight. If you don't change yourself, I'm going to change my name. And that's a fact. Actually, can be possible. Oh, look at this. Sunrays, I still don't get the word. Golden hour? Sun hour? Whatever the fuck that is. Alright, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. I see somebody there behind. Yep. There's one person. And there's another person. Maybe I'll include him in the video next time, because I've been seeing him thrice. I don't know. I just saw him thrice in the past 2 minutes. Maybe I'll approach him fourth time. I'll keep you guys updated if something goes on. Just kidding. Yeah. Bye-bye.